My dear students, now I am taking third part of a chapter 5th 10th class. As I have told you, in third part, we will take the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a very important formula to find out the sum of terms. Now, we will take some question from NCERT book and we will find out the sum of terms. So, I am taking first question. Find the sum of 22 terms of AP. Example first. Find the sum of. Find the sum of 22 terms. 22 terms of AP. And what is AP? AP is 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. This is the given AP. We have to find out the sum of 20 term of this AP. First of all, we have to write down the value of A. A is equal to 8 and D. A2 minus A1. It means 3 minus 8. This is A1, this is A2. 3 minus 8. And 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Now write down the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is sum of 22 terms. Here write down 22. Sum of 22 terms. 22 upon 2. 2a 8 plus n minus n. What is n? 22 minus 1. What is d? Minus 5. S22 is equal to 11, 16 plus 21 into minus 5. S22 is equal to 11, 62, 16 plus 105 minus 105. S22 is equal to 11, 16 minus 105. Here again, S22 is equal to 11, 11 and minus 105 and 16 minus 89. Minus 89. S22 is equal to minus 99, 9, 88, 9, 97. This is the sum. This is the sum of 22 terms of this AP series, and by this formula, it is very easy to calculate the sum of these 22 terms. Now, I am taking next question. Next question. If the example second, if the sum of the first n term, if the sum of, if the sum of the first 14 term, first 14 terms, if the sum of the first 40 term of an AP is 1050, and first term is and first term is 10. Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term. Here, my dear student, in this question, you have to apply both the formulas. Here, sum is given. The sum of 14 term is given. 14 term sum is this. So first you have to apply this sum formula, and from this formula you have to find out D, because D is not given. Neither series is given nor D is given. How will you find out then 20th term? In 20th term, there will be a need of A and D. A is given. A is this. A is equal to 10. A is given, but D is not. So we have to find out first D from this formula. Sn. Sn means sum of the 14 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply this formula. Sum of 14 terms is 105. 1050. 14 by 2, because n is equal to 14. 2a is given 10 plus n minus 14 minus 1, and D is not given. D we have to find out from here. 1050 is equal to 7. 20 plus 13. D. 1050 is equal to 7. Take 7 here. 20 plus 13D. And divide this. 1, 3, 7, 5 35 0 is equal to 20 plus 13D. Now this implies 150 is equal to 20 plus 13D. This implies 150 minus 20 is equal to 13D. 130 is equal to 13D. And D is equal to, this implies D is equal to 113 upon 13. And D is equal to 10. This is the value of D. So, my dear students, value of A is D. A is equal to 10 and value of D is equal to 10. Both are 10 from this first formula. Now we have to find out the 20th term. Twentieth. Find out the 20th term. An. Apply first formula. A plus n minus 1 into D. In this question, you have to apply both the formulas. An 20th, A20 is equal to A10 plus 10 minus 1 D. What is this? Is 10. A20th 10 plus 9 into 10. A20 10 plus 90. A plus n minus 1 into 2. A20. Oh, here, this is 20. And this is here 20. Sorry. This is also 20. And this is 19. And this is 190. And A20 is equal to 200. So, this is the second part of this question. From first part, find out D, and from second part, find out 20th term. This is the second question. And in the second question, there are two parts. Now take third question. Now take third question. What is third question? Find the sum of example. Third question. Find the sum of find the sum of first find the sum of first 22 term. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which, this is the statement of the question, in which D is equal to 7. Here D is given, and 22nd term is 22nd term is 22nd term is 149. In this statement, D is given, 22nd term is given, but we have not here the value of A. First of all, we have to find out the value of A. So 22nd term is given. It means we have to apply the formula of finding the term an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, because terms are given. 22nd term is given. 149 is equal to A. What is A? A is not given. Plus n. 22 minus 1. And what is D? 7. 149 is equal to A plus 21 into 7. 149 is equal to A plus 749, 14. And this implies A is equal to 149 minus 147, and A is equal to 2. This is the value of A from the first formula. Now we have to find out the sum of 22 terms. Apply second formula. We have to apply second formula now. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, sum S22, sum 22 by 2, 2 into a. What is the value of a? 2 plus 22 minus 1, d is 7. S22, sum of 22 is 11. 4 plus 21 into 7. S22 is equal to 11. 4 plus 147. S22 is equal to 11. 147. 151. And this implies S22 is equal to 11 into 151. Multiply 151 by 11. 11 ones are 1, 1, 11 fives are 55, 1, 56, 15, 11 ones are 1 and 5, 16. This is the value of, this is the sum of 22 terms of this series. This is the answer. My dear students, in the last example, second and third, you have seen that we have applied both the formulas. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So these two questions were the double question, and I think the concept is clear to you. Whether you have to find out the term or you have to find out the sum, you can easily find out the sum and term with the help of both the formulas. So this was the third part, and all the part of this chapter I have discussed with you, and I think the concept is clear to you. And at your home, do more question from your NCERT book. And again, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you. Thanks.